Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to create a logo in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner-friendly guide. I'll show you step by step how to design a clean and professional logo from scratch. First, open Inkscape and create a new document. This gives you a clean workspace to start your logo design. Next, choose a simple idea for your logo. Basic concepts like letters, shapes, or icons work best for beginners. Now use shape tools like circles, rectangles, and stars. Most professional logos start from simple geometric shapes. After that, combine and edit shapes using Boolean operations like union and difference. This helps you create unique logo structures. Next, use the Bezier tool to draw custom curves and lines. This is useful for more advanced logo shapes. Now add text using the text tool and type your brand name. You can adjust fonts to match your brand identity. After that, choose a simple color palette. Usually 2 or 3 colors are enough for a professional look. Now align everything properly and refine spacing. Clean alignment makes your logo look balanced and professional. Finally, export your logo as PNG or SVG. SVG is best because it keeps quality at any size. So yeah, that's how you create a logo in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can design professional logos even as a beginner. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for fast guides. Hey everyone!